They say I just got it pop, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, I said get into it, yo. I guess she ain't got it, but now forget get into it, yo. And I said I just got it pop, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, get into it, yo. If she ain't got it, but forget get into it, yo. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these cons like you the Batman. You just wanna ball out in designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone, I'm just talking comfort, shawty. I ain't give you nothing, you could come for shawty. I got plenty things you make a run for shawty. Call him Ed Sheeran, he in love with my body. Get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, I said get into it, yo. I guess she ain't got it, but now forget get into it, yo. And I said I just got a ball, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, get into it, yo. If she ain't got it, but forget get into it, yo. Y'all need to get into the drip like a piranha. Y'all need to get into my drip like y'all need water. I mean, it's only head to toe, Balenciaga. I mean, y'all bitches better, y'all like Ariana. If they ever tryna knock up, put my foot up in your cock. Call your mama and your papa like I'm finna take a dada. Turn that bitch into a soccer ball and rock a. Get into it like a suit and fuck a stack up like a rocker. Get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, I said get into it, yo. I guess she ain't got it, but now forget get into it, yo. And I said I just got a ball, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, get into it, yo. If she ain't got it, but forget get into it, yo. Thank you, Nikki. I love you. Got that big rocket launcher.